Hi guys, this little kit was in the pack of stuff I bought from AliExpress. I think it was only £1 or maybe even less than that. We got a magnet in a little plastic case, some bits of bent spring wire and a couple of connectors. I've connected it up to, or at least I will be connecting it up to a couple of vape batteries that I've got in parallel there. And that's actually the TP4056 charger, so we can charge it off a micro USB. And then I've put the JST connectors on it so we can connect it all up together. I expect this would run off a 1.5 volt battery, but I just happen to have that, so that's actually going to be 3.7, maybe 4.2 volts freshly charged. And then the coil that came with the kit, I've bent it out so we've got two legs, wrapped it around itself to hold the coil in position, and then I've cleaned the insulation off the legs that are sticking out, because these are coated with varnish, shellac or something like that. I don't know what they actually use nowadays, but we need, because it's actually insulated wire, so we need to clean the insulation off so it makes electrical contact with them. So it should spin if we get it in the right position. Check that we're actually there we are, or were. I'll put a link in the video description to a homemade one I did many years ago.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.